Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add photos or of how to add pictures on a CapCut application. So first thing you have to do, you can just start a new project. But now I would like to have my previous project here. So on my project I already have a video on it. So I would like to add several pictures on the top of this video. Okay, let's bring the straight lines into the beginning of the clip. The things we have to do, we don't need to click anywhere. You just need to focus on this bottom features, and you just need to click on overlay. And this overlay, click add overlay. Since we want to add picture, go click into the photos and find out which pictures that you want to add into the project. For example, this one. Okay, we already have one pictures on it. Adjusting the size by pinch with two finger, and adjusting the positions by just drag it with one finger in the several positions right there. So those picture will be pop up in the beginning of the video is play, but then I would like to make it pop up like 2 seconds after. So let's bring it here right there. I think I would like to make them pop up for 2 seconds. Okay, that's for the first picture, and I would like to repeat to you the way to add a photo or picture. Click on overlay, click add overlay, click photos, and after that choose the picture or photos that you want to add into the project, and then click add. And now adjusting the size. If you want to adjusting the ratio, you just need to scrolling these tools into the left side and click edit, and now click crop and just choose a square, adjusting the part that you want to include in, and after that just click done. And now adjusting again the position as well as the size by two of your finger, pinch it right there and positioning, and then make it become 2 seconds. Okay, and I think I will like to add one more. Just do the same, add overlay, go to pictures and add this, click add, do some editing, crop, square, click done, adjusting the size and positions. Okay, let's have a result. 1 picture, 2 pictures, 3 pictures, and that's all. That's the way how to add pictures on a CapCut by iOS or iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.